and welcome back to Curly Singing King. As you can see by the title, today I'm trying something very new, something different, very fresh for me at least. I'm trying a 3-strand twist out. Usually if I'm doing my hair, I'm either doing a wash and go or braid outs. I never ever do twist outs because I don't like them, they don't like me. Twist out is over there, I'll stay over here. I never do them because I've tried to do them at least 5 times in my life and it never turns out good. Never, ever, ever. But I was like, I haven't done it probably in about 2 years or so. And they look really cute on other people and I want to look like that. So, but you'll see how it turned out in the video. But before I begin, don't forget to like and subscribe, share. And let's get into the video, baby. Woo! To the left. All right, so the first tool you're going to need is going to come in handy. It's your hands. You see what okay. Next up, I have the Mielle Twisting Soufflé, and I used it as my cream for this twist out. Next time, I think I'm going to use a gel, but whatever. Next up, I have my softening milk by The Main Choice. I used it as a leave-in for this twist out routine, and it smells so good. And lastly, I have my shea butter mix that I made myself. Very proud of myself. And make sure to comment below if you want to see a video on how I did it. All right, let's dig in. All right, there she is. It's Curly Simmy Tings. Woo! And she's showing the products again. Okay, she obviously did not get the memo, so I'm gonna speed this up real quick. Before you do any style on your natural hair, the first thing you're gonna need is moisture, a base of moisture, love. So I'm adding a lot of leave-in. I used to be like, oh, I don't need leave-in, but I do, trust me. And you do too if you're natural. Use it, do it. And the order that I use my products is first the leave-in, second is the cream by Mielle, and third is the shea butter. And shea butter kind of acts as a sealant, to seal it all in, CeeLo green, if you will, sealant. Because my hair is high porosity, which means my cuticles are raised. I'll put a little thing right here. But basically that means that my hair loses moisture very, very fast. So I need a lot of moisture and I need to seal in the moisture to make sure my hair stays moisturized. Okay, so here's when I'm starting the 3-strand twist. As you can see, I have 3 pieces of hair and I'm just kind of wrapping them around each other, if that makes sense. Like I'm just swoop, if that makes sense. I don't know if I'm doing it too fast, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. My first mistake was I should have done bigger sections for sure because the curls came out very, very, just too tiny for my liking at least. And also I should have definitely used the gel to give me some more hold because it came out very, very just, well, you shall see. But usually the gel is not only good for definition, but it gives my hair a little bit more elongation because my hair was very shrunken at the end. So that was my first 2 mistakes. I made a couple mistakes in this video, but I'm putting this out here so you can learn from me. Don't do what I do. Okay. Or don't do what I do in this video particularly. All right. But yeah, I'm just, another tip that I did wrong is I should have twisted a little tighter. I twisted a little bit too loose, so it came out kind of a weird curl pattern. My bad. But now I know. One day I'll get it done. One day I will get a twist out poppin'. I'm just still learning, guys, so, But anyways, I'm going to the end of the twist, and for any style that you're doing, a braid out, twist out, whatever, it's always important to coil the ends to get that little curl at the end. All right, so I finished the first 3, and look at that magic. I'm done. And as you can see by the look on my face, I am not feeling it. I'm disgusted. But now I'm gonna let it air dry for about 2 days, and I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
All right, so it is 2 days, 48 hours later. And it is finally dry. So there I go. And I'm going to be using that oil as my little serum to make my hair look shiny. It's always good to put oil on your hands before you unravel any style. And it smells good too. It smells like peppermint, like kind of like Christmas. Anywho, so now as you can see, I'm beginning to unravel these twists. And I'm just not feeling it. As you can see by the look on my face, pretty soon I'm just not gonna be look at me. I'm just not. What is that? Who is that? What? I was not feeling it. I was not impressed.
and I spent like 2 hours doing these twists.
But you know, that's how hair is. You spend hours doing a style, and then it just stabs you in the back, and it ends up looking like this. I mean, it's not the worst, but it's just like I had this image in my head, you know. I was like, oh, I'm gonna kill it with this twist out, and then it comes out like this. I was about to take selfies, like, I'm sorry, I'm getting emotional. Anyways, let's continue. So as you can see, the definition is lacking, which I'm not even really about definition like that. It's just usually for a twist out, I would want definition. Just once. That's all I ask. Oh, and also another mistake that I made is I think I need to use more water. All right, so this is how my hair is looking after I take it out. But I'm gonna go stretch it and blow dry it, and I'll be right back with the final results. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm all done with this final look. I'm not feeling it. No, I'm not feeling it. What? I don't know. Let me know in the comments how you feel about it. It just ain't for me. It ain't for me. It's just a lot happening. No, I don't know. I'm not a fan. Honestly though, it makes a really cute little puff. This is so cute. Wait a minute. It's a cute puff. Not gonna lie. Hey. Alright, so it wasn't a complete fail. It just when I wear it out, it just ain't it. This ain't it, baby. Tie it. Yeah. Fix her up a little bit. And then, okay, this is actually cute. This is cute. It makes a really cute puff. Wow, this is so cute. Look at this. All right, so as you can see, that was a fail, but that's okay because it did make a cute little puff. I'm not mad at it. Are you? I don't know. Yeah, I'm not mad at it. And you know, natural hair is really filled with highs and lows. Every style that you do is not going to come out exactly as planned. You just have to keep trying, keep pushing, and just moisturize, and you know, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Comment down below some more ideas you would love to see me do, because I never ask that. I never ask like what you guys want to see. So comment below what you want to see from me or any ideas you have for me, and I'd love to do them because I want to know what you guys think. What the people want, I shall give. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Oh, and a new video is coming out very, very soon, so be ready. All right, love you guys. Bye.